fishbone diagram. Fishbone diagram is also known as Ishikawa diagram or cause and effect diagram, and this is a graphical method used to identify and present the root causes of defects that are causing problems in the process. The construction is very simple. We've got this concept which looks like the fish. At the head, we've got defect problem. Then we group the causes by categories. As you can see, we've got 5 categories, and every category has causes in the form of a bones. So we've got bones connecting to the spine, and then the spine goes to the defect problem we are trying to eliminate. Now, there are 3 main types of fishbone diagram that you can come across. So the so-called 5M fishbone diagram, which is used in manufacturing, we've got APs used in marketing, and then 4S used in services. Obviously, you can define your own categories and create your own fishbone diagram. However, the 3 examples that we'll discuss in a minute will help you see how you can do that. So 5M looks like this, and the categories are as following: machinery, method, which means how you do it; manpower, in other words, people; measurement, so how you measure that; and materials used. And you group each and every cause that may be responsible for the problem defect occurring by those categories. As you said, in marketing, we've got AP. So we've got product, service, price, place, promotion. As you can see, this is a ripoff from the 4P method. And then we can have people, process, physical evidence, and performance. And finally, in services, the 4S method, the S's are as following. So 1 category are suppliers, then systems, skills, and surroundings in the sense of environment. So this is how you can group them. In the next 2 lectures, I'm gonna go back to our favorite case study of a restaurant, and we will try to apply the fishbone diagram.